What's going on YouTube? So today what I'm going to do is replace the factory 2015 emblem on the back with the 2020 emblem. So it's pretty much a still a Lexus emblem, but it's enclosed. And what I did was put a smoke vinyl wrap, same as the front. Makes it just a little bit less poppy. Also pays homage to the 90s black pearl emblems that really aren't around as they used to. As mentioned before, my first car was a 96 ES 300, so that's why I came back to the brand. And just a bit of nostalgia and nod to the roots, especially the SC 300, 400, which I never got. That's why I love coupes now. So just gonna take you in through with the installation here and show you some before and afters, and hope you enjoy the video. So these are tools that you're gonna need. I didn't have any trim removal tools, but you just really need something to wear something in. This is my first time doing a debadge with one of these tools. Typically you can just get away with floss, but this time not so. So I'm gonna see how far I can get. People have had good luck doing it with this method. Glue gun, the infamous glue gun that I mentioned in a previous video that has mixed reviews, but it works and it's been working for years. Something to heat it up. Heat gun or hair dryer, at least the hair dryer, you know you're not going to burn up the paint. And of course, the beautifully wrapped emblem here. Here's what it looks like right now. It's a little dirty here in Austin, so thinking about taking that off as well, just leaving the F, but here's before, and this is what it's gonna look like after. I love the look, and it goes with the undefeated license plate frame. Good theme, I'm doing it for me, no one else. So yeah, let's see how this works out. So I warmed it up for about a minute 30 and it's already underneath there. So you just work your way in. And you just, I'm not going to videotape the whole thing, but you can see how easy it's going in. See the adhesive right there, get the focus, it's moving around. And just gonna take my time off camera, warm up all around here, and starting at the bottom, so if I do fuck something up, then it's not as noticeable and can be touched up. But yeah, I'll let you know after this off. So one thing to note when you're removing this, there are two pins on each side, one right here that is stopped at, and one on the other side as well. Just be cautious of that, because even though you're probably not going to be reinstalling this again, you just don't want to cause damage to the car, not knowing it's right there. So just keep that in mind when working around here. And the middle is not going to have any pins for you, so just a heads up. You are using heat. The hair dryer doesn't get too hot, but if you're using a industrial dryer, or not dryer, but heat gun, emblem does get hot. Keep that in mind. And honestly, heat gun is pretty much overkill. This came right off in about 3 minutes of working my way around. So no need to rush it. That is key. Just keep working your way around. And once it dries, the adhesive does create a bond back together. So just keep that in mind. And right now I'm just twisting it pretty much separated. The adhesive is going to be left on the body of the paint, and it's coming right off like glue. And then be careful with the prong once more. And boom. Next step. It's off here. So this is the side by side. You can tell the chrome difference. So it's not the white chrome, it's the smoke chrome. Definitely plays with the theme in the front, and the trim around the spindle bumper grill, I should say. And next step is going to be take this glue gun, spray it, let it saturate, and this is probably going to be the most tedious time. Just really take your time here. No need rushing it because it's only going to be as good as what's removed. So typically what I do, I can get this damn thing spraying. What the hell's going on? There we go. All right. So typically what I do with Goo Gone here, this is the gel. Let it saturate. You're gonna have to keep coming back around on this a few times, but the key is the saturation to lift up the adhesive. And I'm gonna wait about 3 minutes on this, come back around, spray it again, wait another 3 minutes, and then just take this, shouldn't cause any damage to the paint, and gently take it off. And you can see it's already moving now. So this is about 10-15 minutes of taking my time, heating up the adhesive, putting more on there, and you finally get to a point where it's just, you can pretty much rub it off. Ideally lateral, but let me see if I can catch this on camera. This one. Yeah, that's it. And you see there's a little bit of ghosting. If you're not doing this style emblem, this is easily corrected just with the good light polish. Nothing too abrasive. This is all surface. Depending on the age of your vehicle, you shouldn't need much, but this is coming right off, and be back with you after the final cleanup and application. Here's the after, all cleaned up, and now all that's left is I'm gonna apply the yellow, put it in the prong, and this is a sneak peek. Boom. All right, so what I'm doing right now is, this is not absolutely necessary. Well, I lied, this is necessary. Apply pressure, any type of double-sided adhesive tape. You want it to have a good bond. Put some pressure on it for about a minute, and the rest will cure on its own, especially with heat. I'll probably warm this up a bit after. Apply more pressure for 15 seconds, and be done with it. It'll be fully installed. Final wipe down. Good old McGuire's. This is not the ceramic part. Around it is, but this is just to clean this up. Get all the fingerprints and smudges off, and let that dry a bit. And this is installed. And here's the end result here. Definitely matches the carbon fiber. I love the way this looks, I really do. I'm gonna go ahead and remove the RC, I think. Find out a way how to smoke this. I'm debating on methods now, but nice little weekend project. But yeah, this looks, man, I really like that. I really like that. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know, again, if there's anything else y'all want to see. Be happy to make some content for y'all's enjoyment. Speak with y'all soon.